Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest to plan your dream home. So here's a short guide to using Pinterest for planning your dream home. Here's the step-by-step guide. You will just simply create your account, and if you don't have one, you will just sign up for free, and you will just create a board, and you will just organize your ideas by creating boards like example living room ideas. If I just in the search bar just type living room idea, and let's see. So in this way you can just find your virtual and dreaming home. And if I just give them search for like kitchen inspiration, and let's see, there are many attractive and with the high decent quality. You will see the kitchen uh, architectures designs for your dream home, and you will just also search for like a modern living room, and let's see. So there are very luxury style interior designs tips for a stylish home makeover. So you will just simply pin your favorites right over here, and you will just like to your board to easy references from here. If I just cut it and again I will just tap on it like here, you will see I will just recent researches for living room idea, kitchen inspiration and modern living room. So you will just upload photos of item you like to get more similar ideas, and you will just also follow home design influencers. If I just tab on it, and you will just visit the websites, and you will just simply follow it, and for improvement expert for fresh ideas, and you will just create a vision board. So in this way you can just use Pinterest to plan your dream home. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.